So today we are picking green beans to make refrigerator pickled beans. And we have tons of purple green beans we're gonna pick. We're just gonna do 1 jar, so we're gonna put 2 cups. Are you ready? Let's get picking. Okay, the baby just woke up. Toddler. So we're gonna go cut the dill. We forgot to do that this morning. Scary's trying to follow us in the garden. Okay, so we have some dill that actually reseeded from last year. You can see it's almost ready to reseed again. Good for us. Right? Kind of goes wild, but that's okay because I do love dill in a fresh cucumber salad. So we're going to take a sprig. Cut this. Right. And maybe we'll do one more. Let's do this one. Scary. Okay. All right. Okay, so we made the refrigerator pickled beans. Interesting that the royal burgundy color actually boiled out. I didn't expect that, but it's fine because they'll taste good, and we can still eat the other ones purple when we eat them fresh. Right, Joelle? Yeah. So we're going to put them in the refrigerator and let them sit for maybe just a couple days and then try them out. And they should last in the refrigerator for 2 weeks, but they'll probably be gone way before that. We got a bean lover here, so. Oh. See you guys.